Hey guys, what's up? Kicking here. Said in my last video on why we're not doing so much that I would do a video on the dog. Pippa, she's now in dog years, 9 weeks old. But actually only a week and 2 days for us. So that's her. She's a little Christmas partner and we're going to be playing with her for a bit today. Bye. Pippa! Yes, girl. Get him. Get him. Yeah, girl. Get him. She likes the spotlight, I guess. I'm not moving, she's moving the mat. Get him. Yeah, Pippa. Yeah. Yeah, Pippa. Get him. Get him. Bearing in mind that she's a puppy. Sit, Pippa. Pippa, sit. Sit. Girl, sit. Sit, girl. Girl. Try to get her to sit, but then wasn't. Got to sit, Pippa. Sit. 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 Get him. Yeah. Good girl. Pippa. Fetch. Ah, she's not interested in the stick. Pippa. Okay, that was Phil. Pippa, get him. Yeah, come on. Come on, Pippa. Yeah, that one was kind of Phil. So that was a Pippa video on Pippa. It was really hard, kind of, because she's jumping over the camera all the time. But I got it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys next time.